Hey, I'm Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5, and we're the company that actually built domain leads. Now look, I don't feel like I need to go into like some crazy, huge sales video for you here. If you're looking for people and the contact information of anybody that has ever registered a public domain in the world, then you're in the right spot, because that's exactly what Domain Leads does. Domain Leads is a huge, massive database of public domain register information. You literally just log into the software. Once you log into the software, then you can just run a search. You can search for all new registered domains. We update the database. We update the database daily, so there's fresh leads that are actually added into the database daily. If you want to filter by states, countries, zip codes, if you want to filter by keywords in the domain, if you want to filter by the TDL, the top level domain, if you want to filter from a date range, you can do all of that in Domain Leads. Like I said, it is a huge, massive database that gives you all the contact information of anybody who has actually registered a public domain. So instead of going through like a huge, crazy long sales video, I decided just to make this simple video. So I came to our kitchen and got a cup of tea. So anyways, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut, and I've been walking around the Tier 5 office so you can see, hey, there's a real company here that's actually built this. There's real live support if you need any actual help. We have competitors that offer not even the same thing that we do. They offer just one huge bulk file that's not searchable. Hey, how are you? Not searchable at all, and they charge $200 a month. We're priced a lot lower. We have the same information and a faster, simpler, more friendly way to navigate the data. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna cut and show you inside of the software that you're gonna get access to if you go ahead and sign up right now.